Yeah. Did you even brush your teeth? When? Really?
Kanina po.
Before?
Right now.
After sleeping? After sleeping?
No, when
After
I was
eating?
doing my work.
Your work? Your work? Ano? Your homework, you mean?
Yeah.
Raven. Look, let's do something slow. Ano to? Did you say ano to?
Bakit pangit?
Bye-bye. For real.
Wait.
Ano, wait na naman?
Let's just sing the Elsa song.
Ano yung Elsa song? Wait, shut up. What's the Elsa song? I forgot. Into the... Ano? Ano ba yung
I want the one.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
No, I don't want the kid one. I want the grown-up one.
I don't
Why
know.
she's
I did not
saying
watch
the
that.
children. Mom, what's the Elsa song?
Let it go.
Yeah, let's let it go. Let it go.
1, 2, 3. Let it go. Let it go. Why are you typing it so fast? Into the end. And so
Wait, can you just do that? That.
mahulog ka kasi.
When people like this. How about the let it go?
Let it go.
Wait, this is how the let it go type is.
Huh?
Let it go is like this. Let it go.
Let it go.
No, like this. Go.
Let it go. Uy, wag ka sa namin
Go.
Sabi na nga eh. Jade, puta ka. Oo, hindi ko na makikita. Teka. Ano ba yan? Nananahimik ka sa lamin ko. Puta. Ano ba? Lalabo mata mo. Sinusuot niya ako yung salamin ko.
We're gonna be blind, Jaden.
Look, like this. Like this. Let it go. Let it.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Hold it back
Anymore. Let it go.
Let it go. The cold never bothered me anyway. Memorize.
Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go.
The cold never bothered me anyway.
Let it go. Let it go. Again. I wanted to hit my head. I wanted to hit me.
Ah, I want to speak up.
Yeah.
Let it go. Huh?
Tell me.
Throw?
Yeah.
No.
Let it go. Sing it. And tell me.
Sing it. tree. Wait, where are you?
I'm here. That's
Hindi
me.
kita mahawakan. Hindi mo lang.
Tell me
Let it go.
What's the tell me?
Ay, no. Ano, masakit na naman pa mo. Ano ba yun?
Ayun na po, Jaden.
I'm sorry. Isip kaya, ayoko na. Nasaktan ka na naman. Are you okay?
Yeah! How about let's let it go
I
again?
don't want to matama ka sa kama eh.
How about you told me?
True?
Yeah. Like this.
Isa mo iiyak ka mo
Let
eh.
it go! Like that. Like that. Wow! Wait.
Let it go.
Tell me to.
Let it go. Wait, taas mo yung paa mo. Ano eh. Can't hold it back anymore.
Tell
Let
me.
it go. Ang hirap mo ihagis ka lang ang liit mo. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Good night. For reals.
No, no.
Ano na?
Don't go. Let's play a game.
Let it
Let's play
go.
tag.
Ano tawag?
When it is dark. You need to look for me. If I'm near with some light, that means this is the safe place. Let's play tag. I'm already at the dark.
Already at the dark. Walang tapakan ng laptop, ah.
I want to be Superman. Yeah, I don't know how to make Superman. Let it go. Superman. Superman. Superman.
Bakit ba? Hindi mo magawa mo na naman.
I'm just kidding. Hindi, I'm Superman.
Ano mo yung magawa? Fail.
What was that? Let it go.
Go. Okay, sleeping time.
No. I want to be like that also.
Okay na to.
No, I want to be smaller one. Can be the same size as me. Oh my God, just statistical.
Wow.
Sis. Hi. How about you also make yours like that so that you can... And I'm Anna and
Huh?
you're Elsa. I'm Anna and I'm Elsa.
Hi. Wait, I'm gonna
Go.
knock. I'm gonna knock on your door. Ay, sino ba yun? Baliktad. Who's
Me.
the, ano? Who's the...
Me.
We wanna do this now.
Yeah, it's me. But
It's you. Sige, you sing.
why? Okay.
Ay. What happened? Ang tanggal.
Oh, also, I want to be
Masasakay mo si
Elsa.
Elsa. Doon, di mo alam.
Me, I want to be Elsa pala.
Sure
Because
si
I have
Elsa ba?
the blue one. Me, I'm Elsa because we have blue. You are,
Mamay.
you are,
Hannah?
yeah.
Who's the big sister?
I don't know who's the big sister.
Okay, so what do I do now?
You,
I
knock.
sleep. I knock.
snowman.
Who are you?
I'm Elsa.
Do you want to
Fine.
build a snow?
Let's play.
Okay, bye.
Find the snowman.
Oh, what's next? I don't know.
You need to. I need to put you in the deck.
Huh?
Guys,
Ano?
Elsa falls when she goes up the stairs. I
Hindi ko maalala. I don't know. Oh, man. Elsa? Elsa? What happened to you, sis? Ano ba yan? Are you running to the snowman? What's Elsa's song?
Let it go.
What?
Let it go.
Siya ba yun?
Six.
Ha? I don't know eh.
It's on my iPad. But it's red.
Okay, bye. What's the past? Uy, it's low, but what's the title?
Let go.
Frozen.
What is it?
For the first time forever.
I have a bracelet now.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, are you talking about that one?
Yeah. They wanna build a snowman. See you anymore. Come on the door. Run away. Here's your demon smileys. And now I want you to tell me why. You wanna build a snowman. Okay, bye. You wanna build a snowman. Oh, Company is over there. Walking through the fields inside the wall.
What did you really say? Hang on there, Joe.
Ano tawag mo? What did you say?
What did you really say? The one that she said.
Me?
Yeah.
Ano?
She was talking to the teacher. Hang on, John.
Oh, on the wall. Oh, she's big na.
Elsa? Elsa? Naunta.
Ay, sorry naman ito po.
When we are doing, when we want to do it, now let's do it now and put on my scarf na.
Scarf? What? Oh,
No.
if dito si Jaden.
Pangit.
He's the masama. And everything you anymore. Oh, what's happened to them?
What happened?
I think the shit. Zero. Please.
That's also.
Sinasagot?
After that, can we play this?
Okay, actually, what's that?
Mom, let's play. Can me and Naman please play dance face?
Okay.
Yes!
Ano?
Let's play.
Dance, please.
Ano yun?
Face dance.
I don't know that.
Like that. You need to.
Stop moving.
Yeah, like
Yeah, can I
that.
just sit?
No, you need to follow it. And put that on you. Not the blue one. Because I'm Elsa, right?
Elsa. Elsa, you're Elsa.
Because I'm a boy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Elsa.
Elsa.